just a little moment. The year 2018 will become part of our history because it would have rolled out. And similarly, the year 2019 would have started. Looking back at how this year has been, from 1st January 2018, one can only be thankful to God. I mean, I am full of gratitude for a year that I can describe as the most remarkable year. And I'm sure for several of you that follow me, follow my politics, follow the little work, the little that I do and the little that gets reported in the social media, I believe it's also been quite, a memorable year, one way or the other. We started this year with so many people that we're not ending this year with, that so many have died. I mean, life is a journey. It's like a journey of, in a train, and you get to different, stations, and people stop by, and others proceed. We are lucky to still be counted amongst those that are living, and those that hopefully by the grace of God are going to start 2019. I thank every one of you, one by one and collectively, for the wonderful support, for the huge sacrifices that you've continued to do following my politics and adding value, to this game, to the game I love so much. A game I've spent quite some time playing, a game that every day, when I see the selflessness, when I see the passion, when I see the commitment, and when I see the level of gratitude that I find, I remain more and more encouraged to do what I've always done and able to do better. As 2019 rolls in, my wish for every one of you is that you all, including me, will have a more remarkable year compared to 2018. As we start this year together, 2019, my greatest wish is that just like we are ending 2018, we'll all be alive to see the end of 2019. Especially because 2019 represents for me a little bit more. What does it represent? The hope and strongest hope is that, by 2019, we'll have a change of government in Cross River State. We'll have a government that by the grace of God and by all your support, I'm going to have the privilege, the greatest privilege and highest privilege, a government in which I'm going to head. A government, for example, that is going to be a very defining time in the history of our state. The slogan of my campaign is that better days are possible again. And it's deliberate because we've seen better days before. Between 1999 to the year 2015, when the democracy administration came to an end, I believe that we witnessed better days. And the hope was that we're going to consolidate on those days. It hasn't turned out so. This is not Cross River. And I run this race because I think that we deserve better as a people. We deserve better leadership. And I count on all of you. I can't do this alone. I can't make myself governor on my own. It's going to take hard work on my part. It's going to take a continuous support, and above all, it's going to take God's grace. God desires better for our state, and that's why we've come as far. I wish all of you a Merry New Year, Happy New Year, a year that we all are going to work more to install a government of our choice for our people that will uplift Cross River, that will restore back hope and give confidence and get our state back to that state that by the time the last administration was handing over had become the 11th, hugest economy in Nigeria. That state that had far long become a tourist heaven, a destination. Together we're going to get it back to that point. I thank you all. May God bless all of us. May God bless Cross River State. Thank you and God bless.